So Nina just finished her Mandarin class, and now we are going to meet up with a friend and make some Chinese dumplings. You excited?
Chinese dumplings!
So we were going to take this one, but I can get a private car for 10 RMB cheaper than what he wants, and I'll get there quicker. I wanted to take this one just for the thrill of it. We used to ride in these a lot when it was just me and Nina, but it'll take a lot longer to get across town, and I can get a private car, which I already ordered for 31 instead of 40, which is only like $1.50, but not even $1.25, but still, I want the private car. I'll get there quicker. I was supposed to be there at 11, it's like 11:30 because Nina had her Mandarin class, so. Yep. So, one of the most bizarre things about China that I haven't seen anywhere else in the world is the grandparents typically take care of the children, right? But it seems that it's like everyone does it, both regular parents and grandparents. But like, say you're out with your kid, right? If your kid needs to go to the bathroom, you literally just squat in the middle of the sidewalk and let your kid go to the bathroom. Or you hover them over a garbage can and just let them do their business. And that's like very common. You will see that all the time, at least in Chengdu. I've never been to any other parts of China besides Nanning. It happened in Nanning as well, but yeah, that's something you see all the time.
My father has 2 kids.
Yeah, and I have 2 kids.
And my mom's going to work.
Mom's at work.
We have a little baby down here.
We have a little baby. Cuckoo Gaga.
Her name is Little Cuckoo.
Coco.
She's a little marshmallow chuggy bun.
Nobody called DCFS on us. Hello. Nice. You excited for dumplings? You're gonna eat them? I'm hoping because you're gonna see all the ingredients that go into them that you'll be more inclined to try them. And you're gonna need to make them yourself. So you have to try your masterpiece. Can you make me one?
What would you like in it?
Everything.
Never look at a baby. Never look at a baby. Never look at a baby.
So, we made it. This is my friend River, who I just met, and this is my friend Derry. Hi Derry. Hi guys. Me and Derry used to work together at Sesame Street when I was here, what, a year and a half ago? Yeah, and today we're gonna make dumplings.
Yeah.
Nina's really cool. Oh, you have to cook it, you goof. You can't just eat it raw. So we just arrived, and Mimi had to get a diaper change, and she got a bottle, and Nina made her first dumpling while I was doing all that. And now I'm going to give you a tour of a Chinese apartment. It's very common to, or typical, to take off your shoes and put on slippers. Let me grab my baby and give you a tour. Here's the kitchen.
Yeah.
And then this is the main entry area where you put all your shoes. And then dining area.
Yeah, dining area.
What are you making, Nina? What's in there?
Stuffing.
Stuffing.
Is this my little
I
one?
think that's yours. You did really good. And then over here is the family room. And this is an outward facing apartment, which is, oh no, it's inward. It's facing inside the complex. Thought it was outward. And then, dun dun dun. I'm showing my friends what a typical Chinese apartment looks like. And then this is a 3-bedroom, huh? Squatter toilet. Is that a separate wet and dry area? And then 3 bedrooms.
Bedroom, do you want to see?
Check, can I?
Okay.
Are you staying here? You stay here?
No.
No. It's nice. It's very IKEA.
Yeah. My boyfriend is IKEA's designer.
Him?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
No, not him.
Oh, okay.
It's
The other guy.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, nice. He works for IKEA.
Yeah.
Ah, very cool. This is in the kitchen. Very eclectic. I love it. Look at you go, huh, Squirt?
Uh-oh.
I think you stuffed it too much.
Yeah.
See, like that much. That's how much you do.
Stick them together. Yeah. This way. No.
天哪，我们这个还能包很多，我的妈呀！我个90片可能不够包，还能包。
This way.
So I just found out that we are at Derry's boyfriend's house, and he runs Airbnb. That's why the rooms are all IKEA'd out. So the guests the other people you saw, they're actually here staying at the Airbnb long term for exams.
You can stick them together.
Yeah, they're trying to sleep. You gotta tuck them all in. There can't be any light getting in there. No light.
Them. Do you know what's this? No, it's leek. Can you eat leek? You see it?
饺子英文怎么说当
Dumpling.
？Dumpling。这个是饺子，哦，这个是韭菜馅对吧？
This way.
Whoa!
Oh.
这爬出来了。
Whoa! You gonna try one for me, Nina Bear?
You will.
You try first.
You try.
You made them. You have to try it. You're the chef.
You try it. You try it.
Okay, I'll try it. Use your fingers. I don't want you dropping it. You can use this plate. There you go.
You can use your hand. Uh-oh.
The corn fell out. Good try, Square. You didn't even get any of the meat, though. You only got the dough. You gotta take a better bite. Pretty good? Yeah? You like it? You have, like, powder on your face. Where are you going? They made this delicious, like, cucumber salad. It's so good, right, Marsha? You tried it? It's good? Mm-hmm. You want more? Yeah. Okay, I'll get you more. What are you doing to my baby? Go this way. In front. Be careful. Be very careful. Nina, slow down. Nina.
She's heavy.
Are you making a taco over there, or what's going on? It's not supposed to be a dough ball. Made your own thing? Nice. Look at what you made, Derry.
And this is for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look at that. Marsha, what are you doing? She was just doing it. She would come up, and then she'd go up, up, and now you're being camera. Up, up. Go back.
OK，come on，可以 sit down。
谢谢。
You want steak?
Looks yummy. So these are boiled,
Dumplings.
and those are steamed, right?
Yeah.
So these dumplings are boiled. Those are steamed. That's a salad.
Chinese salad.
Chinese salad, and what's the
Salad.
another salad?
Yeah. For you and this for us.
Okay, good. Awesome. Yum, yum, yum. What do you think, Mark? Are you excited?
I know.
This looks so good, guys. Yummy.
Chinese salad.
Sia is enjoying some dumplings, aren't you, Booger? Yeah.
vlog。其实我们也可以做一个 vlog。
You're so Chinese, I love it. So this right here is your peanut milk. So if you see this, show this to someone at a store, that's peanut milk. What is it, Nina? Is it good? Just like the other stuff?
Let me go into the wind.
You want go?
Yeah, let me go.
Well, it appears we are all in a food coma right now, and someone's really sad because she forgot to bring her mama a dumpling. But it's okay because I told her, I was like, we'll just buy dumplings and we'll tell mama that these are the ones we made. She'll never know the difference. Right? That's what we're gonna do.
But you'll know the packaging difference.
We'll take it out of the packaging and put it on a plate.
Before she even sees the package.
We'll never tell her and we'll never share this video with her ever.
Yeah.
Deal?
Deal.
Okay, and this baby must be so tired. She hasn't napped all day. Marsha, go to bed. Go to bed, Marsha. Girls, I love you. So, do you guys want to see something pretty cool? In China, I'm sure other parts of the world too, where there's a lot of pollution. I think this is the reason why. If you know of another reason, let me know. But if you look at all the trees, they all, literally all of the ones that look healthy and alive, have a bag attached to them. It looks like an IB bag, right? And this is my first time actually looking at one close up. That's what it looks like. And it provides, obviously, like nutrients and vitamins and stuff to the tree, which it probably doesn't get from the sun, because that sun is typically not there. Like today's an unusually bright day. But yeah, literally every tree, look at all the trees, they all have them attached to them. Pretty interesting, huh? Why do you guys think that is? Do you think my assumption is correct, or is there a better reason? Any botanists out there? Tell me. Tell me why.